Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a mini vlog. I'm going to be taking y'all behind the scenes of how I shoot my campaigns when I'm shooting at home. For those of you that follow me on Instagram, if you're not following me there, you should be. My handle is at officially Kim White. Y'all know I work with a photographer sometimes, and sometimes I also have to shoot my campaigns at home. So this is actually some content that is due ASAP. So I have to get this done today. I had to do 2 posts for them. So this is for the second post. I'm filming this on my phone and I'm going to be shooting with my camera, with my Canon camera. And I'm going to show you guys how I do that, how I set things up. And this is going to have to be a bathroom shoot because I actually am reshooting because I originally turned in some content. At first they asked for like a lifestyle type photo and like one that was actually realistic. So they did not accept the lifestyle piece. So now they want 2 pretty much bathroom setting type photos. So reshooting in the bathroom. So I'm just going to show you guys how I set up lights and everything. But I actually just got out the shower. I just went to the gym. So I'm getting ready to fix a sandwich. I think I'm going to do a turkey sandwich. And I stopped and got me a smoothie. So I'm just drinking that. I'm going to fix my food and then we're going to be ready to shoot. Y'all, so here's my little turkey sandwich I'm eating, and I'm just eating some kettle chips with it and this avocado smoothie from Tropical Smoothie. So y'all, it may be hard to tell, but this is what my setup is looking like. This space is pretty tight, but I have both of my LED lights right here. And since I'm only using such a small space, aka the bathroom, and not making a video, just taking pictures, I might not necessarily need both of the lights, but we'll see. Oh, you know what, y'all? I don't have the battery in this camera. Hold on. So I'm using my Canon 80D and I'm using a 30mm lens for this one, Sigma lens. So yeah, this is actually not the lens that came with the camera, but it's the extra lens that I bought. So we have everything set up on this tripod and I'm going to be setting y'all up. Oh, y'all ignore the back. I need to clean up, but I'm going to be setting you guys up on this tripod so you can see what I'm doing. So I have the products out now that I actually need to shoot with. So it's a razor and my pick is in the way. Ignore that. But yeah, razor, shaving cream. And so yeah, I am going to just put on like a white towel for this one and go ahead and set everything up. And I think I'm just going to sit over there in that corner. I think I'm gonna move that greenery out the way and just sit right on right there. Okay, so y'all, I have everything set up as y'all can see. So have my camera pretty low. I have the remote control attached. So I'm just getting ready to go ahead and actually make sure the camera is facing a good spot before I lay all the products out. So I moved this plant out the way. So I'll move that out the way a little bit more. And yeah, so this is how to be your own photographer, people. So the camera is actually too low right now. So I'm going to have to lift it up some. So I actually think that I like how this looks. Let me just straighten the camera a little bit more. And I'm gonna go ahead and lay the products out. Now I'm just going to be using one of the LED lights. That should be good. So we're going to see how this looks. I'm going to go ahead and take a few shots. And I also just did like super minimal makeup. y'all, because again, this is a bathroom shoot, so there's no need to put on lashes and all of that. That is not realistic to the campaigns. You have to make sure you think about that as well when you are getting ready to shoot. I'm trying to figure out where to hide this remote. I think I'm gonna press it and put it under the towel and try to do that really quick. I only have it, I have it on self timer obviously, so I'm giving myself like 2 seconds. So maybe I should have put it on longer, I don't know. But normally I do like 2 seconds and I get it done, so. Okay, so this is working, y'all, just having the remote behind me. So just gonna do it like this. Y'all, let me just see what some of these are looking like real quick. So y'all, I feel that I have some good ones so far. So I'm gonna do a couple of product shots. So let me put on a robe and then do these product shots and then we're gonna be through. Okay, so y'all, I am done taking the photos that I need. I really did not do 1,000 because I feel that this campaign was pretty simple. So yeah, so hopefully these get accepted. I can show you guys what they look like. I'm gonna have to edit them a little bit and then yeah, turn them in. But while I have you guys here, I wanted to do a quick PR unboxing and show you guys a couple things that I got in the mail recently. So the first package that I got recently is from Versed Skincare, and y'all know I love me some skincare. So Versed sent over a overnight facial peel. They sent some conditioning lip oil, and they sent some powder with vitamin C, and I believe you're supposed to actually mix this. Yes, you're supposed to mix it into your favorite cream or serum. And I need to look more into this to see exactly what it's supposed to do, but and then also some cleansing balm, some day dissolved cleansing balm, this brightening tightening mask. So I really like the aesthetic of this brand. Yeah, so it's really, really cute stuff. And then they sent over a scarf as well that says Versed on it. Shout out to Versed. Thank you guys so much. Gonna start trying these products out soon. And then the next thing I got is this bag from Fry, y'all. So I think I'm gonna use this as like my work bag when I'm going to coffee shops to do editing and things like that. So yeah, I'm really liking it. Let me take off some of this packaging and show y'all more what it looks like. So this is what it's looking like without all the paper on it. So it's really spacious, you guys. Oh, there's a little bit more paper in there, but yeah, I'm really liking it. This is definitely a cute bag that, again, I will be, and y'all, this is genuine leather, like, yeah, so I am definitely happy about this. This is super nice, and it has a little logo on the bottom. Shout out to Fry. So that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Again, just wanted to do a super quick vlog. So hope y'all like this mini vlog. More to come. Let me know if y'all have any questions. Y'all literally got to see what it is like behind the scenes trying to shoot your own campaigns, but Again, this one was pretty simple, nothing too complicated. I'm going to be showing y'all, like I said, some of the photos that I took just so y'all can see what they came out like. But yeah, I will definitely see you guys in the next video, and thank you so much for watching. So y'all, these are what some of the pictures are looking like. I just went through and chose my favorites. Basically, I put them all in a folder. So I just go through and choose my favorites, and these are my favorites here. So this is my favorite. I picked like 2 product shots. That one and that one. And then of course, all of these are no retouching, so I'm going to go ahead, airdrop these to myself, and then edit.